HS2 in a BIM environment. It's got, I love this slide, it's got the old way of doing things. What if we don't do BIM? Well, maybe we won't build it to quite the right quality, maybe we won't quite get it to integrate because there's all these different things. But it's a very attractive way because it says, let's not change. We know how to build things in this country. We've always known how to build it. We get a shovel and off we go. We know how to operate a railway. I'm sure you come to London on a railway that was always on time and always works. But you know, it's kind of easy. That's why someone drew in the devil. Devil always plays a good tune. This is a biblical picture, but this is a road to hell. What we want to do is build a virtual railway. Now, that's not particularly novel. We also want to operate a virtual railway, and we want to maintain our virtual railway and rebuild it over its life cycle. And only when we've proven that in a virtual environment will we go near a shovel. Where are we at the moment? We're down here. We're building the building blocks of our future. The BIM platform, this concept of total reliance on our data. People come and go, procedures come and go, companies come and go, politicians certainly come and go. Data lives and is going to live forever. Now, this could be a bit scary to our supply chain, because it begins to sound like BIM might be a sort of barrier to entry. So a huge part of our environment will be how to help people work in a BIM environment. We've actually been, in a sort of way, helping people to work in a BIM environment in the early days, because I said we've been working on data standards and data structures and the quality of data, and that's vital because we're using it in our public consultations. We're using it with the people we're going to affect by creating HS2. And you can't go out to people and tell them something which isn't right. Everything we do, we have to evidence, and our evidence, we rely on what is in BIM. Fundamentally, BIM enables us to prove today that our design will be reliable. Because if it ain't reliable, it's not worth building. It also tells us that the basis on which we do business with our supply chain doesn't start with cost. Doesn't mean we're here to be fleeced. It starts with quality, and the most measurable aspect of a lot of quality, certainly when it gets to physical stuff, is reliability. So we ask people who are going to work with us about their quality, about the quality of their people, and about the quality of their products. And then when we've chosen to work with them, we ask them to sharpen their pencils a bit. But it's not about cost first. It's about reliability and quality first. Our virtual railway, we will demonstrate to our complete satisfaction, our virtual railway will work. We will then train people to build that railway in a virtual environment. We believe that most of the critical processes, we want the operatives to learn in a virtual environment, probably literally in a virtual reality environment, before they go on site or before they start doing critical control systems or anything else. That's why I said we're betting the shop on BIM, we're betting the shop on data, and every bit of data, the quality has got to be there. And what we do will be judged by people not yet born.